right, Thrill Max. We are here at the all-new Nickelodeon Universe inside of the newly built American Dream Mall. We're going to take a spin, literally, on Shredder, the Gerstlauer spinning coaster.
Oh my God!
Here we go, guys.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh wow, this is a lot more forceful than the other ones. Whoa! Whoa!
Shredded!
Whoa! We're just shredding through this track, man.
Reaganomics!
Excuse all the bad puns, guys. It's part of the experience here, though. Oh, we're spinny.
I feel like cheddar because I'm shredded.
Here we go. Whoa! Whoa!
This is dope.
This is so cool. Here we go, guys.
Whoa!
Ooh. Oh, backwards airtime hills.
Backwards airtime.
Whoa! Wow, that was 3 of them in a. Whoa!
Whoa, dude, yeah!
Woo! Cowabunga, dude! Cowabunga! Alright, Thrill Max. Not so intense, but a really great ride and the longest spinning coaster, I believe, in the US, maybe the world. Comment below if I'm wrong. Talk to you guys later, and remember, always take your thrills to the max.